Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the lock and your phone so nothing slows you down. Install 4 AA alkaline batteries with correct polarity and reattach the interior cover. This powers the motor and radio. Once done, open the Eufy security app, sign in, and allow Bluetooth and location so your phone can discover the lock. Now press the lock's power button for 2 seconds to wake it. Make sure the status LED blinks. This confirms the device is powered and ready for pairing. Once the lock is awake, tap Add Device in the app and select Smart Lock. Follow the Bluetooth pairing prompts to link your phone. After pairing, calibrate the deadbolt. Choose door handedness and run the automatic lock and unlock test so the motor learns throw length. Then create an admin PIN and enroll a fingerprint if your model supports it. These provide quick access and auditability. Finally, set auto lock delay and notifications so the lock behaves how you expect, preventing accidental lockouts. You finish by thoroughly testing every access method, keypad codes, app lock/unlock, and manual key operation to confirm consistent performance. Make sure firmware is up to date in the app. Updates fix stability and security problems. If pairing fails or behavior is odd, try a soft reset, repair via Bluetooth, then run calibration again. If problems persist, measure battery voltage, reduce phone distance during setup, and as a last resort, perform.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.